I'm Shannon. Welcome to Gulf Brook. Hannah's going to show you one of our apartments. You're going to love it.
Thank you, Shannon. Welcome to the Heron. This residence is 1,600 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and it's just one of the 3 different floor plan options we have here at Gulf Brook. Let's take a look around. Right when you walk in, you're greeted by this open, bright living room that connects to a large screened-in patio. Look at this space. I love the setup in here. You have plenty of room to arrange your furniture so you can look out and enjoy your view. And then there's this stunning marble wood-burning fireplace and a little nook for your entertainment center. This is truly the perfect spot to entertain, relax, whatever you want to best fit your lifestyle. Now, right beyond this space is the kitchen and dining area. Worth mentioning, you have 9-foot ceilings throughout this home, which really elevates the space. And this leads right here to your eat-in kitchen, which features solid oak cabinetry, plenty of storage, black appliances, and this little upper island where you can throw some bar stools and enjoy a casual meal. You also have this quaint little breakfast nook, the perfect spot to start your morning, enjoy a cup of coffee, plan your day. Now let's go check out the rest of this home. We're here in the primary suite. Check out the size of this space. It feels like a luxury hotel. You have this large window that brings in a ton of natural light, and right beyond that door, you have a generously sized closet and well-appointed bathroom with a double vanity, a show-stopping soaking tub, massive walk-in shower, and a sun deck which brings in a ton of natural light and added privacy. I love this space. And another thing that I love about this floor plan is that both of the other bedrooms are on the opposite side of the home, which really makes this space not only great for families, but roommates too. And down this hall, you have 2 bedrooms and a guest bathroom. Either could be used as a flex space. As you can see, this one has been used for an office. Regardless, both rooms have a large window and their own closet. A few other highlights about our community: all of our homes come with an oversized single-car garage, washer and dryer hookups, and not to mention plenty of other incredible amenities around the community. And with that being said, that's a quick look at our 3-bed, 2-bath. If you'd like to call Gulf Brook your next home, call our leasing team. We'd love to have you.